just in case. Okay, the triangle sum. Okay.
The son of 1 million doers.
Triangle sum. Are you done? Hurry up. Triangle sum. Triangle sum. Okay. So let's draw this type of triangle. What do we call this type of triangle? Yeah, so this is a right triangle, okay? So this is already 90 degrees, right? So Sargun, you were saying like, oh, it has to be acute. But is 90 degrees acute? No, so 90 degrees is right. So therefore, not angles have to be acute, okay? Let's draw an obtuse triangle. What does an obtuse triangle look like? Yeah, weird. So that's an obtuse angle, right? So this is an obtuse angle because it measures more than 90. And then if I close it, it becomes an obtuse triangle. And then the last one is what Sargun was talking about. What would we call this third one? What kind of triangle? Acute triangle. So this one's called a right triangle because it has 90 degrees. This one's called an obtuse triangle because it has an obtuse angle. And this one's called an acute angle because they're all acute. Okay? So this is a right triangle, obtuse triangle, and then an acute triangle. Does that make sense? Okay, we will go over this after the map, like in greater detail. But I'm just trying to show you, just in case, you can get one more question right on the map test. Okay, so for any triangle, so like if I draw any triangle here, I'm going to draw a little bit bigger. How many angles do we have? 3 angles. And any triangle that has 3, let's call this A, B, and C. So angle A, B, and C. So when I add angle A plus angle B plus angle C, it's always, 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 always going to equal 180. Okay? So 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So I'm going to cut this scratch paper here. Here is my triangle, right? And then we're going to call this A, B, and C. Okay? Angle A, B, and C. And here's here, right there. What does 180 degrees look like?
Oh, a straight line.
Straight line. So I'm going to not even use scissors. I'm going to tear this.
Oh, miss.
Are you ready to be amazed?
I'm ready.
You were not funny.
Oh. Whoa. Wait, what happened?
Oh no, she just connected the. Oh.
Let me do it on a green paper so you see it.
Did you not just see the line? I don't get it.
Did you not see all the angles?
They're connecting, guys.
It's all connected. Wait, but where? We need one more.
Like, there's a Great Wall of China behind Antarctica.
Is that a half circle?
Oh, I guess
Do you
it's
see
the
the line
bottom.
in the bottom?
The
It's
bottom.
behind the ice.
The bottom.
Okay. So, stop. When I connect the 3 angles, it makes a perfect
Yep.
180, right? So, in a triangle, the reason it's 180, it's half a circle, 180 is when we tear them up, it forms a straight line. Not 90 degrees, a straight line. So, I've just proven to you, any single triangle whatsoever, no matter the size, no matter if it was, if it started as a right, obtuse, or acute, they all equal 180. Does that make sense? So if you're given a triangle on the map test and there's an angle missing, you can do the math. So let's do it. Let's do the math. This is level 1. Then I'll try to do level 5. Okay, Okay, let's just draw a cute triangle right there. So cute, so cute. 68 degrees and let's say 35 degrees. And then you'll have like an X there. Okay? And so they're going to say, hey, what is X? And you're like, but I don't have a protractor. How am I supposed to do this? Well, you use math. You know that if it's a triangle, if you add up all of your angles, it equals 180. So here are all my angles added up. 68, 35, X equals 180. Yes, it is. It's extremely easy.
Search that SC.
Is there more than one way to solve this? Yes. There is one more. There's many ways to solve this problem. You can add and subtract. You can subtract all one at a time. It's up to you.
Are you not going to do your work, Haley? You're just going to zone out in class?
That was me yesterday, but I'm not doing today. Whatever.
Your name's Haley, too.
It's Funyun.
I got it. X equals. Yep, I got the same answer, miss.
Yep, me too.
So I did the long way, but it's efficient. I moved one number at a time. X equals 77. That's level 1. That's the easiest one you'll get. Okay? They give you the two numbers, and then you solve for X. Make sense? Yes? Are we okay? All right. Let's do level 2.
Oh yeah.
Miss, why are these chairs so bad?
Okay. Let's not.
Is it 77?
Yes. Let's not.
saying stuff.
We'll go back in the recording. If he said it out loud, then it was.
I'm actually gonna do it. It's a metaphor.
Oh yeah, I'm sure that's what every other
Right?
person
He
has
said
said.
that to me.
What did he say?
Nothing.
I don't know you asking. Every time I'm.
We'll just all go back to the video at minute. What minute is it? 7:20.
Not on my phone.
No, you're
All right.
No, I'm just clueless.
Hey, be nice.
Even the people watching know it.
All right. Here's level 2. Here's level 2. So this triangle would be a level 2 triangle, Daniel. But what do we know? We know that all these three angles, no matter what they say, if you can set them equal to 180. So I got 70 plus I got a 2x plus I got an x. All has to equal 180, right? And I think you had this on the do now, right? So what's 2x plus x?
3x.
So this gives me 3x, which is what I taught you back in like October or November.
Back in the old days.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is a little tricky
It's
one.
not. Oh, what do we call a number that never ends and never repeats?
Infinite.
Congruent.
I mean, I made this number up. So this is a repeating decimal because it never ends, never repeats. So it's called a repeat. I mean, it does repeat. It's a repeating decimal, so we can put the bar notation on the top, meaning it repeats. Okay? But I wanted to show you, like, okay, what if I get 2x and x? That would give you 3x. This is level, like, the next level. This would be harder. Obviously, I'm assuming they would give you a number that actually works. I apologize. My number does not work. All right, let's do another super hard one.
I haven't stretched today, miss.
What do we call this triangle? Obtuse triangle. Okay. Something I didn't go over, but I know you guys know it, like scaling, isosceles, equilateral. They may or may not ask it. They will definitely ask it on the SBAC, but we'll go over it before your SBAC. The map is just like really hard to figure out. Because some of you will be dealing with high school problems.
That's me.
Totally. Totally.
Wait, it equal to
Always equals to 180. When you have a triangle, always equals. No matter what this says inside, it always equals 180. Now you can combine or you can move them one at a time. This is why when we do our map, we gotta show work.
Do you like just saying the answers out loud?
It's his part time job.
I got the same answer as you, Evelyn.
Okay. Does this make sense? No? I mean, this is where we get tricky, right? We have to add the 12 because it's being subtracted. Add the 12.
But yeah, I got
Well, what?
157.
What?
Yeah, I got
What?
157.
I was just trying to see if you guys were like not copy my answers. Obviously, I know how to add 4 plus 1, and I obviously know I made that mistake to see if you would catch it and not go like, "Ooh, oh my God, I made a mistake."
I caught it.
Wait, miss.
What?
Like, where did you get it wrong?
4 plus 1.
Oh, so you did get it wrong.
I didn't. I wanted to see if you could see it.
You didn't confess.
Where did you get it wrong? I
Yeah,
said 4
4
plus
plus
1.
1.
Is that entrapment?
Yeah.
I see you now. I see how it is. Okay, all right.
At least in the blood.